What's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy, and in this video I'm going to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Y9 2K19 and the Huawei Y7 2K19. And you can see both the devices are in front of me and we have the same set of applications running on both these devices. And I have already posted the unboxing of Huawei Y7 2K19, so I am just going to have a speed test here between both these devices. And right now I am starting the speed test straight away, and you can see there is no app running in the background in both these devices. And we simply start our speed test by just tapping on different apps at the same time, and we will do it in two rounds. In the first round we will be checking out the speed of loading the applications, and in the next round we will be doing the RAM management test. So without any further ado, let's get started. And starting with the phone applications, let me just bring the phones closer. Let's just start with the phone application, and we begin with 1, 2 and 3. And it was quicker on Y9, and it has to be. So let's move to the calendar in 1, 2 and 3. Again quicker on Y9. So let's move to the camera, and again quicker on Y9. And let me tell you that it is running on Snapdragon 450 processor, while it is the Kirin latest processor, which is the 710. So there's a lot of difference in the processing unit in both these devices. So continuing the test right away, we have next up Play Store, and let's begin it in 1, 2 and 3. So again quicker on Y9. So next up we have Gallery, so let's open it, and it was quicker on Y7. Yes, it was a bit quicker on Y7. So that's great to see that we have one application which is quicker on Y7 as compared to the Y9. So next up I have the Amazon application, so I am going to run it at the same time. So let's see, and again it is quicker on Y9. So next up we have Facebook application, and let's just open it in 1, 2 and 3. So it is again very quick on Y9. So next up we have YouTube, and again it is very quick on Y9. Y7 is actually a low mid-range processor, that's why it takes so much time to open these applications. So next up we have the Chrome application, and let's open it in 1, 2 and 3. And we have the Huawei website loaded here, and you can notice that it was very quick on Y9 to open. And let's just open a different page. Actually we don't have the same page right now on both these devices. Let's go to, I think we have to go to, so we don't have the same pages, but let's try to open something and try to open these at the same time. So pressing it in 1, 2 and 3. Let's see, yes, we can open them right now. We are going to open a new page, and you can see it is very quick on Y9, and Y7 is actually way beyond in speed than the Y9. It is very quick, and the zoom is actually very good. You can see it is very clear. I do not have any complaints with the zoom in on both these devices. So that was a great experience in opening Chrome on both these devices. So let's go back to the left set, just open it. I was not opening them at the same time. So here we have to do is to go into our gallery in both these devices, and we have my lap set, and we have to view details, and we have to press render on both these devices, and we have to create the same video, which is the same clip on both these devices, and we have to see which device completes the process in quick succession. So let's just tap it at the same time, 1, 2 and 3, and it is way faster on Huawei Y9. So let's move. Next up we have the Photoshop, and open them at the same time. So again it is very quick on Y9. And next up we have 3 games, which are the similar games on both these devices. So starting with Pinout, and I think both are going actually head to head. Actually it is faster on Y9. So next up we have Color Switch, and let's just open it at the same time. And you can see it is again very quick on Y9. So we have the final application, which is the PUBG Mobile, and I am going to open it in both these devices at the same time again, and let's see how much time does both these devices take to load this game. So you can see both these devices are actually taking too much time to open this application. We do not have any account yet on this one, but we have to just put the account, and it is checking for some kind of updates on this one. But both these devices are working great on this game, and right now we have the similar pages on both here, and it is actually quick on this. Actually it was checking for some kind of updates. So right now let's go back, and here we have completed the first round of our test, and you can see all these applications are present in the background. So we will try to revive them from the background one by one, and let's just start with the contacts application and see if they are working in the background or not. So you can see in both these devices the contacts are working in the background, and the calendar application reloading again on both these devices, camera application, and I think again reloading on both these devices. So we have next up the Play Store, and it is present in the background in both these devices. So next up we have gallery, and again reloading in both these devices. Amazon, and again reloading on both these devices. Next up we have Facebook application, and you can see again reloading on, actually it is present in the background kind of in both these devices. So next up we have YouTube, so reloading on Y9 and reloading on Y7. And the Chrome application, it is present in the background, and the page is actually reloading again. Next up we have the Lapsit, and it is present in the background. Next up we have Photoshop application, present in background in both these devices. Next up we have Pinout, and it is present in background in both these devices. So next up we have Color Switch, and it is reloading on both these devices again. And finally we have PUBG Mobile, and let's see what happens to this game. Actually this one is very heavy game, and again reloading on both these devices. So finally we have the test completed, and in the first round Y9 was very good at opening the applications at a very faster rate, and Y7 was actually a bit slower, except 2 or 3 applications where it took lead in comparison to the Y9. But in the next round we can see it was failing to keep the applications running in the background. Maybe it is due to the software optimization, but few of the applications were present in the background in Y9, and only 1 or 2 were present in Y7. So that's all about the speed test of both these devices, and the results are in front of you, and you are the judge here. This is actually an upper mid-range device, so it is better one. The price difference is not great. I highly suggest you to buy this device as compared to this one. It depends upon you. Otherwise, if you have a restricted budget and you do not want to spend a lot of money on your mobile, then you can choose this one. But obviously this device is a better option as compared to the Y7. So that's all about this video, and many different videos are coming. New speed tests are coming for this device, so stay tuned on the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.